We're going to do us up some donuts in the air fryer. We're going to get this glaze going on top of the griddle top. We're going to put some donuts in the air fryer, get it all going. These things are going to be really good for dessert tonight. Kids are going to love them. So I tell you what, before we get started, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification. Be sure to give us a thumbs up. If you ain't subscribed already, please consider doing so. We would appreciate it. If you feel like helping us out, there's also a PayPal link down below. And if you're looking for this griddle, this air fryer combo, check down below. There's a link to a Walmart site. Not going to promise you they have them in stock, but hey, there's a link there. You can check them out. Let's show you what we're going to be doing tonight. Now, making donuts in the air fryer is real simple. All you need is a can of biscuits. This has 8 in them, and so we're going to make us some 8 donuts tonight. We have 2 cups of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of whole milk, some vanilla, a little bit of spray, you know, so that they don't stick. And we got a couple things here, little bitty cookie cutters we're going to use to punch the holes out with. And a little bit of flour so that they don't stick to our cutting board here when we're pressing them out. So let's get started making these things. All right, let's get these donuts made real quick. Throw you one out, and I think we're going to cut them into a heart shape for the holes. What y'all think about that? Be a pretty donut, ain't it? Look at that. We even have some heart-shaped donut holes. You know, Valentine's Day is coming up, guys. You can make this for your wife, and she might just love you for it. I know Crazy Nana does, because she loves some donuts. Of course, I do too. I can't say nothing. So if you're single, make them for yourself. Let's get all these made up. I think we're going to do 4 hearts, and we have a little star over here. We'll do some stars. How's that? Let's try a star. Let's think about that, a star. Yeah. If you can't have a heart, you can be a star. And there we go. We got 4 hearts and 4 star donuts ready to go. So now, let's go get to making that icing. All right, we got them donuts made up. So we're going to go ahead and heat this air fryer up. And while that's heating up, we're going to go ahead and make this icing on the griddle top. Let's get it done. Let's fire this thing up. Get it going. Get some heat going here on the griddle top. There we go. All right, we're going to take us a pot here, and we're going to put it on the griddle here. What we're going to do now is just add a 1/4 cup of milk. And we want to add a little teaspoon, or a big teaspoon. It's either way, it's a teaspoon. Or some vanilla, or as we say here in South Carolina, vanilla. Add some vanilla. We're just going to stir that in. Let this get nice and warm, and just kind of not really boil, but just warm. We want to get it warm. And once that gets good and warm, we're going to add this powdered sugar into it. We got a little bit of steam coming off of it now. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add this powdered sugar into it, 2 cups. Does seem like a lot, but it's going to be right. And just take you a good whisk. You want to make sure you get it where it's not clumpy. You don't want it clumpy. You don't want it clumpy. No clumps. You see how it's starting to thin out? Get nice and pretty like. If you want to make a chocolate icing, you follow the same recipe and just add a tablespoon of cocoa powder to your powdered sugar and stir it up. And that'll give you a good chocolate icing. All right, what we're going to do now is we're just going to cut this down on low. Just move it to the back over to the side, I guess, somewhere. Just kind of keep it warm. We'll come back and give it a good little stir every now and then. The only burner we have on this whole griddle right here is this side here. All right, what we're going to do now is The air fryer is good and hot. We're gonna take a little bit of this olive oil and just lightly spray it in there. Just take our donuts and just lay in there. Just lay them down in here. Once you got some in there, leave a little bit of room around them. And put them in the air fryer. And we'll do the same with this one. Take it and just lightly spray the bottom so it don't stick. And we'll let these cook about 4 to 5 minutes. Check on them and then flip them. There you go. Let's put them in here. So we'll give them about 4 to 5 minutes on that side and we'll come back and check them. All right, every now and then while them donuts are in there doing their air frying thing, just give this a good little stir. Feeling good next to this griddle. It's a little cold out here tonight, but these warm donuts are gonna be good. All right, these donuts have been cooking for about 4 to 5 minutes now. Let's give them a look. So I'll think about that. I'll tell you what, let's give them a quick flip. Like that. And we'll put them back in. Let's check this other basket full here. Oh yeah, they're looking good, ain't they? Give them a quick flip. We'll put them back in for just a few more minutes. Get that side good and brown. And then we're gonna be ready to dip this icing, this beautiful icing. Dip it in there. Have some good hot fresh donuts on this cold night. Yeah, buddy, it's gonna be good. Gonna be some good eating. All right, let's check these biscuits. They've been cooking about 2 or 3 minutes on the other side now. Let's give them a look. What y'all think about those? I say they're ready to do. So I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll go ahead and take them. Dip them down in that glaze. Look at that. Set them on the pan. Ooh, they're gonna be good and warm. Look at that. All right. Get these other ones out. How them look to you? Now we use the home style biscuits. And as you can see, they did pretty good. There's only one more thing to do now. That's take them inside and let the crazy kids have at them. Let's go take them in. Okay, we got them in the house now. The crazy kids are here. Oh, there's another one. You ready to try these things out?
Yeah.
I'll grab one. Wait a minute. Let's get a close up of. Show everybody what we're about to dig into. Ooh, boy. Yeah, buddy. All right, dig into them, y'all.
So they're like really warm.
Well, and how they taste?
They taste really like a donut.
It tastes like a donut.
I get stuff on my face.
Uh-oh, that's when they're good. What about you, Bryson? You like them? Yeah. We gotta make more of these,
Yeah.
and lots more. You wanna try some chocolate ones?
Yeah.
Some chocolates?
The latte ones.
Yeah. Let's look at the ones inside of one. Let's see what we're looking like. Wait a minute. Turn around here. She's too busy eating it. Uh-oh. Let's see if I can focus on it. There we go. Yes, sir.
Still got
Oh, we want to see yours? There we go. Okay. Well, I'll tell you what. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it, and it looks like the kids are enjoying me making it. Y'all enjoying it? So what do they got to do?
like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And if you want to be part of the Crazy Crew, make sure to comment down below, hashtag Crazy Crew.
There you go, hashtag Crazy Crew. And check out our links down below. We got Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all that down below too. Oh, she's ducking out. She got another donut and leaving out. You like it, man? Okay, well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and as much as they're enjoying these donuts, there's, look there, out of 8, there's only 3 left. These kids are devouring them. So I tell you what, we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.